easy 7-mile run a day. I'm gonna throw the map up here, splits up here, and originally today I was supposed to be doing the Murph challenge, so I thought about it, and it just makes way more sense if I do the challenge tomorrow on Memorial Day to commemorate Lieutenant Michael Murphy. And for tomorrow's challenge, I won't be wearing the 20-pound weight vest, though I will just be wearing my running vest so that I have water and my phone. And this week, that marks 40.1 miles as far as my running, the 0.1 miles coming from my 5K that I did yesterday. And then I also did 4 lifting sessions this week. So solid week of exercise. So this morning, within 10 minutes of each other, I had 2 different people ask me if I get burned out, what I think about burnout, and just my take on it. And for me personally, again, this is my journey and what I think. I don't expect anyone to think like me. I am a little bit extremist when I think about certain things, and burnout is one of those things. And for me, burnout is something that I chase because I had a mindset shift in the last few years, especially in the last few years, that things are supposed to be hard. Things are supposed to be tough. That's why I'm super into working out. That's why I'm not only into running, I'm into running ultras, because it pushes me to that mental limit. And you can say running 100 miles, it's not healthy for the body. I know it's not healthy for the body. I know that it's probably doing my body an injustice as far as my joints, as far as my knees, as far as like my body in general. But the point for me of running 100 miles and running ultras is not the point of getting fit. Like, there's 1,000 different ways that I can more easily get fit than doing ultra running. But I like ultra running because it pushes me to that mental like edge on that cliff. And that's what I chase, because I've accepted that things are supposed to be hard. Things are supposed to suck. And it's not supposed to be a little bit hard. Anything worthwhile in life, from my perspective, takes a lot of hard work. Day in, day out, the daily grind. That's why you see me posting 1 video a day. This is actually day 70. And I work out every day. I don't take rest days. I take active rest days. Just today was an active rest day. I ran 7 miles at a super easy pace. And that's just how I view things. Is I am an extremist. And for me, I think that if I want something, if I truly want something, I am going to do everything in my power that I can. Even now, with publishing all these videos per day, with all my exercise, it's not even optimized 100%. There are definitely things that I can do to better like my process, though I feel like I am putting in solid work. And with burnout, when it gets tough, when I don't want to do anything, I know what I signed up for. I know in order to get to my goals, because if I really want it, burnout will not be a factor. Or it might be a factor, but you know what? I accept it. I accept the burnout. I accept that it's going to be rough. I am on mile 80 of my 100-mile run, and I got 20 more miles to go. Even if I had 1,000 more miles to go, there's no way in hell that I am stopping. I am going to keep powering through it, 1 foot in front of the other. And the analogy that I like to think about for myself personally, and this is a little gruesome, but I imagine if someone has a gun to my head. Not just my head, but let's say a family member's head. And then they said, hey, whatever goal that you have, whatever goal that I have, if you don't achieve that, I'm gonna blow your brains out and your family member's brain out. Are you telling me that there is no way in hell that I'm not gonna let that happen? So if I think about it in that way, whatever goal it is, whatever lofty goal it is, and I make sure that all my goals are lofty, that I'm gonna do everything in my power, like everything in my power, to get to those goals. And for me, that's why like burnout isn't really a big deal to me, because I want my goals so bad that I imagine that scenario. Sorry, it's a little gruesome, but that's just the way I think about things. And that gets into asking myself what I want out of life. and what I'm willing to sacrifice and the work that I'm willing to put in. And for me, if I want an extraordinary life, I have to put in extraordinary work. And I've accepted that, and I know the life that I want and what I am willing to do to get there. And that's why I work so hard. That's why I'm willing to put in the work day in, day out. I'm willing to be burnt out. I'm willing to take everything as it comes. And I'm just super excited. You know, it's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of learning, and it's not only through YouTube as well. It's with life, it's with running, it's with relationships, it's with money and finances and spirituality and pretty much every single avenue of my life. So I appreciate you all listening to me ramble. Hopefully you can take something away from that. I know I am super extreme, and as you get to know me, you'll see that I am like pretty extreme for myself. This is all, again, for myself. I personally, not that I don't care about you or what, but it's like, for me, it's like, let me do me and you do you. And even if we have differing perspectives, I respect that. You can believe in what you want to believe in, but just let me believe in what I want to believe in, and I'll support you 100%. Even if we don't agree with each other. And I know a lot of people don't agree with like my views on certain things, and I don't expect anyone to, but this is just what I expect for myself, and I just want to put it all out there because you all have asked, people have asked, and I actually get this question a lot. So if you have any additional questions for me, please let me know down in the comments below. What do you think? Am I too extreme? What's your personal take on burnout? And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you all tomorrow.